An object of mass is here. Mass is 5 kg thrown vertically upwards. The air resistance produces the constant retarding force. Retarding force means what? It's opposite to its motion. Okay, this is what force. And the ratio of time of ascent to time of descent is equals to. So what is time of ascent? Time of ascent is what time taken to reach the highest point. Time of descent is what to reach from the highest point to ground is the time of descent. So first 5 kg mass అంటే when body ఇక్కడ వేసుకున్నాను అనుకోండి, body motion like this, it's moving in upward direction, its motion direction is what? Upward. So what forces are acting downwards? ఒకటి ఏమొస్తుంది? mg. Yes, one more force is what? One more force is what? It's a opposite, its motion is upward direction, so retarding force is what? Downwards. This is what? Retarding force. So what is the retarding force? We have 10. Okay, so ikkada ante downward, first one upward motion తీసుకుంటున్నా, upward motion. For the upward condition లో net force ఎంత వస్తుంది చూడండి? Fnet is equals to what? mg. What is the mass is given? 5. So 5 into g plus what? 10. ఎంత వచ్చింది చూడండి? 50 plus 10. What is the answer? 60. ఇది Fnet. Fnet అంటే ఏంటి? ma. m ఇచ్చాడు చూడండి అక్కడ. m is what? 5 into what? a is equals to G is what? G effective I am taking. A means it's a 60. Okay. G effective is equals to what? It's a 60 by 5 means it's a 12. Okay. Meter per second square. Let it be this acceleration which is acting downwards. Okay. G effective G1. So G1 is equals to I am writing as 12 meter per second square. Okay. So this is if there is no air resistance. Air resistance ఉన్నదనుకోండి. Air resistance, if there is no air resistance లేకపోతే ఏంటి? టైమ్ ఆఫ్ అసెంట్ ఈక్వల్ టు టైమ్ ఆఫ్ డిసెంట్. ఎయిర్ రెసిస్టెన్స్ లేకపోతే ఎయిర్ రెసిస్టెన్స్ నెగ్లెక్ట్ చేస్తే, ఓకే, సో ఇక్కడ ఎంత వెలాసిటీ తోటి ప్రొజెక్ట్ చేసినామో అంతే వెలాసిటీ తోటి డౌన్, ఓకే, ఇట్ షుడ్ రీచ్ ద గ్రౌండ్. కానీ ఎయిర్ రెసిస్టెన్స్ ఉన్నప్పుడు వెలాసిటీస్ ఆర్ నాట్ ఈక్వల్. సో వెలాసిటీస్ ఆర్ నాట్ ఈక్వల్, దెన్ టైమ్ ఆఫ్ అసెంట్, టైమ్ ఆఫ్ డిసెంట్ ఆల్సో నాట్ ఈక్వల్. ఓకే, దానికి ఏంటి? ఎఫెక్టివ్ యాక్సిలరేషన్ చేశాను. వాట్ ఈస్ ఎఫెక్టివ్ యాక్సిలరేషన్? G1 is equals to 12 meter per second square in a upward direction. Okay, same downward తీసుకుంటున్నాను. Okay, so first one for the downwards. For the downward motion means what? This case direction of motion is what? Downward direction. Yes, so downward means here the resisting force is what? F resistance is upward direction. Yes, its weight is what? Downward, its weight. Okay, then Fnet is equals to what? You write Fnet is equals to mg. Downward enta? M mass enta చూడండి 5, g enta 10. What is the answer? 50. Okay, 50 minus this is Fr, resistive force పైకి ఎంత ఉన్నది? 10. What is the answer? It's a 40. So Fnet means what? ma, correct? M అంటే ఎంత? 5 into a is G2. G2 is what? Effective acceleration in downward direction. Okay, so this G2 is equals to what? 40 by 5, 5 ones 5 8s are. So what is the answer? 8 meter per second square. Now my question is about, I want to find the time taken. టైం టేకెన్ చేయాలంటే ఫస్ట్ నేను ఇది మ్యాక్సిమం హైట్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసుకోవాలి. ఎక్కడ వెలాసిటీ 0 అయిపోతుంది? ఫైనల్ వెలాసిటీ v is equals to 0. ఓకే, సో ఫస్ట్ ఐఎమ్ యూజింగ్ దిస్, ఐఎమ్ ఫైండింగ్ అబౌట్, సో హౌ షుడ్ ఐ ఫైండ్ ద మ్యాక్సిమం వెలాసిటీ, మ్యాక్సిమం హైట్? సో యూజ్ ద ఫార్ములా v² - u² is equals to 2as. ఓకే, v ఎంత? 0 minus u², ఓకే, let it be u² is equals to 2a. ఓకే, it's what? minus g. s అంటే ఏంటి? h. So minus u² is equals to minus 2gh. Then h is equals to u² by 2g. This is what h. Okay, so I want to speak about the time taken in upward direction. Ante first equation తీసుకోండి. v is equals to what? u plus at. v ఎంత? 0 is equals to u plus a means what? Minus g1 into time of ascent t1. Then minus u is equals to minus g1 into t1. Then T1 is equals to what? U by G. T1 is equals to U by G. Okay, so this is T1 equal to U by G. So if you guess that, sir, T1 is upward direction, time of ascent U by G, no, downward also U by G, no. So time of ascent and time of descent both are different in when air resistance force is acting. Okay, so next one in the downward, in this case I am taking on this, in which one? In s is equals to, first I'm taking about this, s is equals to ut plus half a t square. S is equals to ut plus half a t square. S అంటే ఏంటి h, u 0 plus half a అంటే g2 into t2 square. It's a t2 time of descent. ఎంత వచ్చింది చూడండి, 2h by g. Okay, 2h by g2 is equals to what? T2 square. Then T2 is equals to what? Under root of 2h by g2. See, this is the case. So mathematically, if you want to check again this one, T2 is equals to what? Under root of 2, h and 20, this. What is this? U square by 2g. Okay, so it's what? Down or up? So in up means what was there? It's a 1, g1. Yes, this is g1. Okay, so 2 asterisk is written. H means what? U square by 2g1 into 1 by g2. Okay, so 2 cancel. So what is the answer for T2? Under root of u square by g1 g2. So T2 is equals to what you write? U by under root of g1 g2 is the case. It's a T1 and next one is the T2. So the ratio between time of ascent and time of descent. Okay, so time of ascent T1 by T2. Chepandi ippudu T1 is what? This. What is there? U by g by T2 is what? So u by under root of g1 g2. Okay, so this is u by g is what? It's a 1, correct? It's a 1. U cancel. Then what happens? So this will become as what here? Under root of g1 g2 by what? G1. Can I write it as g1 means what? Root g1 whole square. So this cancel under root of g2 by g1. So g2 by g1. So what is the g2 we have? What is the g2 we have? 8. What is the g1 we have? It's a 12. Okay, then what do you write? It's a 4 2s are 4, 3s are under, so under root of 2 by 3 is your answer. So root 2 is to root 3 is the answer. The initial mass of rocket is given. Initial mass of the rocket is m is equals to 1000 kg. Yes, what rate the fuel should be burned so that the rocket given an acceleration? What is the acceleration of rocket is what? A. Okay, A is equals to 20 meter per second square. The gases come out at a relative speed. This is what? It's a relative speed. Okay, so V relative is what? 500 meter per second. Now generally for problem solving, like this is the rocket. Yes, now so here it's what? Now initially, so at t is equals to 0, at t equal to 0, at t is equals to 0, what is the mass of the rocket? Mass of the rocket is what? 1000 kg. At t equal to 0, 1000 kg. Okay, so and next one, it was moving with an acceleration. So a relative acceleration is equals to, when moving upward, so relative acceleration is equals to what? G plus a. We know this. So what is the G? 10 plus a is what given? It's a 20. This is 20. Answer is what? 30 meter per second square. Yes. So next one, then what is the amount of mass, means what? Burning rate of burning this. So when rocket is moving upward direction, so what is the condition? We can use it about is what? F is equals to with the relative, with the speed. Okay, so then what? M into a, G plus a. Yes, F is equals to M into G plus a. Yes, so M into G plus a. F by M, this is what? Capital M, correct? F by M. F by M is equals to G plus A. Yes. So this, as the speed is changing, then what? I can write it as, it's a capital letter M times of, okay, V into dm by dt. This is what? It's a dm by dt in terms of speed, with a constant speed is saying. So V into dm by dt. Yes. So we need to find this. Okay. So 1 by m, what is the mass? Mass is given 1 by 1000 into. So what is the speed? It's a 500 into dm by dt is equals to g plus a. So it's what? 30. This. Now your dm by dt is equals to, so it's what? What do you write on this? 0 and 500 ones are 500 twos are. So dm by dt is equals to rate of consumption of fuel is equals to 30 into 2. So this become as 60. Okay, 60 kg per second is the answer. A particle of mass m, originally at rest, initially 0. Particle, its mass is what? Capital letter M. U is equals to 0. Subjected to a force whose direction is at a constant but magnitude varies with a time according to the relation. So some force is acted on this. So this is changing. The force acts only for the time interval. Time interval is what? Delta 2t is what? T is equals to 0 to t is equals to what? To t. So then velocity of the particle after a time 2t is what? Okay. So first one, what is the velocity after this is going on? It's t is equals to 0 and t is equals to 2t. So what will be the velocity is the condition. Yes. So now let us see on this. What is the given condition? F is equals to F naught times of 1 minus t minus t by capital T whole square. Okay. So this is F. F is equals to, so F is equals to F naught. Okay. F means what? M into A is equals to F naught times 1 minus t minus t by t whole square. Okay. So this is what? A is equals to F naught by M times 1 minus, okay, t minus t by t whole square. Okay. So just I'm going on this. Now I need to get velocity. So how should I get the velocity? Velocity, we can get it as A is equals to, we can write dv by dt. Okay. So the velocity here I'm using as this in place of A. dv by dt is equals to, okay, it's what? F naught by M times of, okay, 1 minus t minus t by t whole square. Okay. So 1 by t square as t is I am writing. Next one, t minus t whole square. Okay. So this is what? dv is equals to, go for proper. So just what differentiation on this. So F naught by M minus F naught by M into 1 by t square. So into t minus t whole square. Okay. So is the case. Into what? It's a dt. Taking integration on both sides. Integration. Yes. Integration started from where? 0 to v. Okay. What will be the velocity? 0 to, so what is the integration on this? This is what here I'm taking as 0 to what? It's a 2t. Yes. So now I am moving on this. My integration of dv is what? V to v. Okay. This is now F naught by M dt integration minus F naught by M t square integration t minus t whole square dt. Limits from where? 0 to 2t, 0 to 2t. Okay. So this is equals to what? V. Okay. V is equals to F naught by M integration of dt is what? T. So F naught by M integration of dt is what? T. Limits from where? 0 to 2t. Next minus F naught by mt square. F naught by mt square. Okay. So now integration of this thing, integration of this one, t minus t whole square means t minus t whole cube by 3 n plus 1 by n plus 1. Yes, into integration of this differentiation of t is 1. So capital T is what? 0. So this is what? 0 to 2t. Yes. So this v is equals to F naught by M. into 2t minus f naught by m t square into t minus 3, okay, t minus 3, uh, t minus capital T, okay, whole cube by this is 3. So applying limits from 0 to 2t. So you can substitute as upper limit is 2t, lower limit is what? It's a t. So then you will get it as v is equals to 4 f naught t by 3 m will be your answer. So option C is correct. So here is a question. The question is mentioned f bar is equals to 40 I cap plus 10 J cap. Okay. Acts in a body of mass. Its mass is given. So this is a mass 5 kg. If the body starts from rest, initial velocity u is equals to what? 0. So then at a time t is equals to 10. So what will be that? The position vector. Yes. F bar means what? M into A bar. Vectorially I am writing this one. It's a 40 I cap plus 10 J cap. Okay. Here A bar into, what is the mass? The mass is given, it's a 5 kg is equals to 40 I cap plus 10 J cap. So A bar is equals to 40 I cap by 5 plus 10 J cap by what? It's a 5. 5 ones are 5, 2s are 5 ones are 5, 8s are. So A bar is equals to 8 I cap plus 2 J cap is the condition. This is what? Acceleration vector. So after getting acceleration vector, so what is asking about? The position vector is what? Position vector. So position vector means S is equals to, what do you say? S is equals to ut plus half a t square. So S bar is equals to u bar into t plus half a bar into t square. So this is what? 0, because it is started from rest. Okay. Then S bar is equals to half. A bar means what? This 8 I cap plus 2 j cap into t square. T is what? It's a 10 square. So this is half, okay, into, it's a 2 is common, 4 I cap plus j cap into what? It's a 100. So 2 to cancel. This is 400 I cap plus 100 j cap. Okay. So this is S bar. S bar is a vector. This is what? Position vector. 400 I cap plus 100 j cap. A body pushes the box of mass 2 kg and force is given, it's a 20 I cap plus 10 j cap. So on a frictionless surface, if the box was initially at rest, u is equals to what? 0. Then the displacement is asking, then vectorial S is equals to ut plus half a t square. Okay. So let us start now. This is F is equals to, F bar is equals to 20 I cap, same like before, plus 10, it's a j cap. F means what? MA. So M into A bar is equals to 20 I cap plus 10 j cap. Okay. So then what is the mass is given to? 2 into A bar is equals to 10 times of 2 I cap plus it's a j cap. So 2 ones are 2, 5s are. A bar is equals to 5 times of 2 I cap plus it's a j cap. Okay, this is what? J cap. This is what? Acceleration vector. I want to know about displacement after 10 seconds. S is equals to ut plus half a t square. Displacement along with x-axis. Displacement along with x-axis. Sx is equals to ux into t plus half ax into t square. Sx is equals to, Sx means what? X. Okay, ux is what? Initially it is at rest, no issue, plus half. Ax means what? What is the acceleration along with? So this is what? Ax. Ax is equals to what? 10 I cap. Ay is equals to what? It's a, so 5. This is what? 5 j cap. Multiple, no? So This is what it's a 10 into 10 into t square, 10 into 10. Yes, so 2 ones to 5s. So then displacement along with x-axis, x is equals to what? 500 meters. So my answer is what? It's a 500.